Okay, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So in this next episode or the third episode of the BGP routing protocol. So at this video for the lab, we're going to learn about the EBGP peering before we use the iBGP or the internal BGP for the peering. Now we're going to use the EBGP or the external BGP. So I will explain again a little bit about the EBGP. So it means that this EBGP is like a session of BGP that happen between between two routers or more than that. The different autonomous system or the IS number, and or for the the different administrative. So it's not just about the different of the ACE number, but also this very different at the administration. So if our router, and also from the ISP router want to get want to getting information each other, so we have to use support from the BGP so that the chance is more big to make a session at the BGP. So because this is autonomous system at our router and our ISP make different. So the ISP side, of course, it won't advertising the not advertising. It won't put the router BGP at our autonomous system because that's not their obligation to take care of our router. So we can from this different autonomous system. So the same device is also have a rule on that. So for this session BGP, we have to type. That's Oh no, we don't have to. So at this session, we will learn about the external BGP. So let's just get started. So as you can see in here, I add more router. So there is an router 3 or the third route for the external. Wait, I'll add the information first. This is for iBGP. Now, okay. This for the external. Okay. And then if you already watch the first video tutorial, so that's for the basic configuration. So now I'm going to just do the basic configuration at the third root. So if you want to see the configuration, the basic configuration from the router 1 and the router 2, you can watch my video at the first tutorial of BGP tutorial. Okay, don't forget to name this router. Name R3, then interface 070, chain IP at 23.3, the prefix is 24, down, and then interface was back, at 3.3, then to right, and also I have an at the interface Ethernet 1 for the IP address, so we're going to add it first. For the network is 23.2, wait, for the prefix is 24. Then now shut down and then to right. So because this router is from the external route, so the AS number it will different, not like the first route and the second route. So router BGP, we're going to use number 3 for the S number. Then for the neighbor, don't forget 23.2. And for the remote AS, from the 12, because this network at the area as number 12. And I will add the network 2 and then the mask and do right. And also in here, at the router BGP 12, at the neighbor for the network 23.3 and then the remote AS from the ICE number 3. So as you can see in here, the notification of adjacency is already appears. So it means that we already made the network 23.3 to be our neighbor. Then we're going to check our BGP submitter first. Okay, so this is the neighbor from the network router 2. And don't forget to check the your IPBGP because this is from the external route. So as you can see in here, the network is already appears at the table routing. And the next we're going to test ping it will work or not to the iBGP or internal BGP, especially to the network 1.1 at the first route. Okay. Wait. Not network 1.1.11 because this network 1.1 we didn't advertise it to the router BGP. Mm, because it's not still cannot be reached. So we're going to check at the first router. We show IPBGP. As you can see in there, the flag is different. So it means that the network of the 3.3 is not the best. Like it's not the best. Not like the flag from the network 11 and also 22. So now we're going to add the network for the router BGP12 for network 23.0. Network 23.0. And for the mask is 24. Then do right. So after that, we're going to check it again at the first route. So as you can see near the flag, it's already turned to the best flag. So now we can try to ping it from the third route to wait, to ping 11.11 again. Okay, so as you can see in here, the success rate is 100%. So it means that we already make the routing protocol it's running well. So we can check again at the table routing. At the standard table routing, the show appears. This is the network from the BGP 11 and 22. And also there is this 23, but it's not at the BGP. And we can also try to ping 3.3 from the first route, but we have to add the source like this. Do ping 3.3 and then the source is from the network that we already advertised it to the router BGP. That is network 11.11. Okay, so the rate is 100%. That means we successful. And now we're going to add again for the network 12 at the router BGP. Network 12.0 mask 12 LMAX 24 and enter. Right. And then we're going to check again at this do show IP route. So as you can see in here, there's the network from the 12th network as the BGP network. So we can just do pings without using the source anymore. Do ping 3.3. Okay, it's successful. So maybe that's all for this third video, tutorial video. I hope you can take a good lesson to take a good lesson from this video. Thanks for watching and I hope you can enjoy this video. I beg your pardon. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you later.